Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's tutorial we'll be talking about the differences between Firebase Real-time database and Firebase FireStore. So if you use Sketchware, it has an inbuilt function for Firebase Real-time database. So Google introduced Firebase FireStore as the new database. Not that the real-time is depreciated. So in this tutorial I'll help you understand the use cases, and so you can know which of them you want to use, both in terms of bandwidth, both in terms of connectivity, both in terms of spending. So both of them are very useful. It depends. You cannot say one is better than the other. So I will explain it in this tutorial. So the first, if you are an app developer or an app owner and you want to synchronize data and just simple query data. Query in the sense is you want to query only specified data, advanced data. So this specified data can help you in when you query only specified data, you can reduce bandwidth cost. So you only get the data you actually need instead of collecting a lot of data. So Firebase real-time database just does this in a simple way. As you can see, basic querying. It doesn't have advanced querying and sorting of data. So for a summary of this is Firebase real-time database is based on just JSON. It is not on my SQL, it's not based on my SQL, while on the other hand Firebase FireStore is based on my SQL. So it's based on MySQL and it sorts data according to collections and documents. So if you are like me, that you are a small company or you are not going to reach millions of users, so you can opt in for the Firebase real-time database. As you can see, why Firebase real-time database is better is in terms of writing data. So for reading data, Firebase FireStore is better. Reading data in the sense of collecting data from Firebase. So reading data, Firebase real-time database is poor compared to Firebase FireStore. Firebase FireStore is poor in writing data compared to Firebase database. So you can see, you can read data in terabytes, but it's not often. But you don't want to try to write data or change data in Firebase FireStore often compared to Firebase database. But though in both cases, both are possible. But in terms of flexibility and reliability and advanced sorting and querying, so they have their own advantages and disadvantages. So if you are only using JSON, so as we all know, Firebase real-time database is based on JSON and nested JSON. But in terms of Firebase FireStore, it's based on documents and collections. So okay, let's talk about offline. Firebase real-time database has high support for offline. So even if the user has no internet connection, you can even read data. So it will save the data in cache state, and also if the user write the data and they are offline, it will save the data in cache state whenever they connect to the internet again. But in Firebase FireStore, it's nearly impossible to do such. So it has more offline features compared to Firebase FireStore. So thank you for watching this video. These are the main things I understand. So you cannot just say one is cheaper than the other. It depends on your use case. So I've given the use case. If you still have some doubt, please comment in the comment on the video. I will explain. Thank you for watching this video. Your support is needed on this channel to help us reach more. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. So as we know, SketchUp Pro uses Firebase Real-time database by default. If you want me to add Firebase FireStore, let me know. So your anticipation on the video will determine how encouraged I will be to do it. As we know, the Firebase library in SketchUp Pro is outdated, and to use outdated and new library is not going to be easy. So I'm going to find a way to do it. So encourage me by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing the video. Thanks for watching.